This is day 200, and today we are looking at how to combine text with fill justify. So what we want to do is we have these letters here in each and every cell. What we want to do is now to combine them into one sentence, and we want to do it very fast. How can we do it? So if I select the entire text that I want to combine and make sure that the first cell here is wide enough to accommodate all this text in a single sentence, then I go ahead and say I want to fill. So under here, under cells here, or under editing here, you select the fill here and you say justify. So you can see I've combined the entire text into one column or into one cell, and I've made a nice beautiful sentence. So this is what you can do to combine different text from different cells. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.